Polypropylene. Made in the USA. Utility webbing. This strapping is water resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use. This heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. Fade-resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to moisture, acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Strapworks polypropylene webbing is tough with a tensile break strength of 900 pounds. It measures 0.06 in thickness and is available in a variety of vibrant colors. Easy to work with, this flexible webbing is easy to manipulate and sew. Made with a tight weave, it's tough and aesthetically pleasing. Use this polypro strapping for crafts, gear repair, and more. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I was looking for. Great quality and thickness. I needed this to make a strap for a baby stroller/wagon as the one that came with the wagon was too short. I ordered a different heavy-duty webbing strap that was basically ribbon, so I had to look again. Came across this, had good reviews and the price was right. Also, I believe it is made in USA, which is great. This is heavy-duty and fits the 1-inch side release connectors snug so there is no slippage. I'm very happy with this purchase. Buy it and you will be happy too.